I just want to show you the condition of the car as it is at the moment. I want to explain the process that we're going through with this car. We're maintaining the form and condition. What we're doing here is not restoring the car by any means. We want to clean the car so that we can see the initial factory markings and the materials that were used on the car as a new item. So when this car was purchased, the conditions of roads in Tenterfield, obviously in the 50s, they would have been 80% dirt. We saw the car as having quite extensive mud and road grime attached, so we've gone about cleaning the car, and the cleaning has been very carefully done because we didn't want to do any damage to the underneath, and we're revealing some interesting things about the car. We're seeing the original materials of the gaiters on the rear springs with fairly extensive overspray occurring. As I say, all original. We did notice, very evident, that the muffler was in a bad state of condition. We believe is the third muffler that went on the car, because the car that we can show the muffler prior looked to be a replacement. But we're seeing this car having very, very good rubbers. The rubber on this muffler hanger is still original, not in excellent condition, but we've left them alone. One of the fascinating on the underside, clear factory markings, 22, handwritten by paint on this side of the gearbox and on the tail shaft. We don't know the relevance of 22. On this side here, we've got the original green paint, probably a quality assurance marking that the gearbox has been filled with oil at the time. As you can see, there's still some cleaning to be done. This car's not finished yet. I've got to take it and do a little bit more work on it. It's getting there compared to what it was when we first obtained the car. What we want to show is the condition of the brakes. When the engine was removed, we certainly saw that overall condition of the engine showed wear consistent with a 14,000 mile car. We're going to be removing the brake drums for the first time to show the original brake linings, and this will demonstrate, hopefully, the fact that the car driven in the order of the mileage stated on the speedo. So the wheels are coming off and we'll inspect. We imagine that this car had the brake drum removed initially after the 12,000 mile service to repack the grease. That's a typical thing that a dealership would have done, and we can see that the cap has been tapped previously and removed to potentially repack the bearings by the way it appears. So here we are going to see it come off, first time for maybe 50 years.
The dirt inside here, definitely 50-year-old, indicates it hadn't been out in the weather a real lot of times.
So there we have it, further evidence of 14,000 original miles. Service sticker, Sexton and Green, showing the next service due, the 14,000 mile level. So again, more authenticity coming from the Sexton and Green partners. I want to say this car has to be one of the rarest early model Holdens that I've seen. With its low mileage and its extremely original condition, unmolested, it is a true survivor car, and perhaps one of the best examples, if not the best, in the country.